Good morning. I am starting my day with yogurt this morning. This is Greek plain yogurt from Costco, banana, and those ginormous blackberries that I shared in my Costco haul. They are so delicious. Good morning, guys. It has been a while since I've done a day in a life video, and I thought I would share my day with you guys. I am headed out. I am going to go to my daughter-in-law's house, and I'm going to see my grandchildren today, and we're going to have a movie day. It is where I'm headed out, and I'm going to take you guys along on my day today. Back to the future.
Wow, Heidi,
Hello, guys. We are shooting live from Ashley's vehicle. We were having lunch at Taco Bell. We got Sky Man back here having lunch.
say hi, baby.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. Anyways, we're going to finish up lunch and see what kind of trouble we can get into, and we're going to take you along on our day.
Come along.
You ready to go?
Okay.
Let's get you out one-handedly. Where do you push?
What's more?
How do I get you out? Help me!
Rectangle. Rectangle.
This one?
Okay.
Pull it out. Pull. Pull that one out. Ooh, you're strong. Now we gotta figure this one out. Hold on. Here we go. There we go.
Thank you.
Got it? Give me your hand. Give me your hand, I'll pull you out. Give me your arm.
Come on, buddy.
Oh.
Come here.
Go to your mama.
Go in. Right here. Now. Come here.
Not the parking lot. Come on.
Dad.
Come here.
No.
Are you gonna get?
What'd you find, Skylar? Show us how it works.
Work.
Push the button on it and show it how it lights up. Can you do it? Let me see. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Ooh, it's a shark. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
You like a shark one?
Oh yeah, a shark man. Oh, maybe
What do we got down here?
Look.
We got the kitty playing with her
Look.
toys.
Circle, ice cream, donuts, popsicle,
What's
and
that?
ice creams.
Let me see. Oh, they're erasers. That's cool.
Yeah.
You gonna do some writing? Some serious writing?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's go over.
We're gonna hit the swimsuit section as soon as Mommy comes out of the bathroom. And Target trying on clothes. Do not like this bathing suit at all. This one, however, really cute. And I like this bathing suit cover. Really cute. I'm gonna get those. Tummy time. What you doing, little girl? You getting tummy time? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You getting tummy time? Oh, you're gonna roll over, aren't you? You're gonna roll over. You're gonna roll over. Got stromboli and a pizza for dinner. Somebody is trying out the high chair. Hey, Ella, Ella. Ella. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're such a good girl. She's trying to reach for these toys. She's a clever girl. Clever. Yes, she is. She's clever. She's so smart. And now she's going to eat a toy. You clever girl. You clever girl. Yes, you are. You clever girl. Yes, you are. This is what we do when the FedEx guy comes. Lay down in your box so I can get a picture. Lay down in your box. I'm going to turn this light on. We've been watching movies. Here we go. Lay down in your box. Show everybody how you lay down in your box. Here.
Grandma slap Grandma.
Lay down. Lay down. Put your head on the pillow. You having fun laying in the box watching TV? He's watching TV too. He's too engrossed in Beethoven.
Mama, it's a background. It's a background.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's mini vlog. I know it was short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed going out with us today and seeing a little bit of my day. And I'm gonna relax, drink my ice water, and yeah, relax. I'll talk to you guys again soon. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll be talking to you all again. Bye guys. Say, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
And like this video.
Like this video.
Okay, look at it and say bye.